Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add signature in your Google Docs. So open your browser, type in Google Docs and then sign in to your document. So I want to add a signature here. So what I will do, I will go to insert and go to drawing and click on new and go to select line and choose this option. Now you can draw your signature. So let me draw mine. And once you're done, you can save and close. So now you have a signature here. You can write it anywhere in your document. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.